What if I told you that making your first $100 per day online doesn't require a business degree, expensive courses, or even a large social media following? In fact, if I lost everything today and had to start completely from zero, I'd still be confident that I could build a $100 per day income stream online. Why? Because making money online isn't about luck. It's about following a simple system. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I were starting from scratch with no audience, no money, and no experience. I'll break down the exact steps, the mindset you need, the mistakes to avoid, and the fastest path I would personally take to reach that first $100 a day. Hey, this is Liam, and welcome back to the channel. Let's get started. Before we talk about making money, we need to talk about why most people fail. The average beginner spends months jumping from one method to another. One week they're trying dropshipping. The next week they're trying crypto, then affiliate marketing, then some AI tool they saw on TikTok. The problem isn't that these methods don't work. The problem is they never stick with one long enough to see results. Making money online is a lot like going to the gym. You don't get results after one workout. You get results by showing up consistently. Most people quit right before things start working. That's why the first thing I'd do is stop looking for shortcuts. Instead, I'd focus on building a simple system that can actually produce income. If I were starting from zero today, I would learn one skill. Not 5, not 10. 1. The easiest skills to learn right now are video editing, thumbnail design, AI content creation, copywriting, social media management, short-form content editing. Why these? Because businesses and creators need them every single day. And when someone needs something every day, they're willing to pay for it. Let's say you learn thumbnail design. You don't need to become the best designer in the world. You just need to help a creator get more clicks. That's valuable. The internet rewards people who solve problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make. Spend 1 to 2 weeks learning the fundamentals. Watch tutorials. Practice every day, build confidence. Then move on to the next step. One mistake beginners make is trying to get clients before they have anything to show. Think about it. If someone asks, "What work have you done?" and your answer is nothing, it's going to be difficult to convince them. So instead, create proof. If you're learning thumbnails, make 10 thumbnails. If you're learning video editing, edit sample videos. If you're learning copywriting, create examples of sales pages and advertisements. Nobody is stopping you. You don't need permission. You can literally download a YouTube video and create your own edited version for practice. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is proving that you can do the work. Once you have examples, your confidence immediately goes up. And confidence helps you get clients. Now comes the part most people are scared of: reaching out. But here's the truth. The first client changes everything. Because once someone pays you, you stop wondering if this works. You know it works. If I were starting today, I'd contact creators and small businesses. I'd keep my message short. Something like, "Hey, I noticed your thumbnails could be improved. I created a free example for you. Let me know what you think." That's it. No huge paragraph, no complicated pitch, no begging. Most people won't reply, and that's completely normal. But remember this, you don't need everyone to say yes. You only need one person. One client can become 2, 2 can become 5, 5 can become 10. Everything starts with the first one. Now let's talk numbers. Because $100 a day sounds like a lot until you break it down. Imagine you charge $25 for a service. You only need 4 sales to reach $100. If you charge $50, you only need 2 clients. And if you charge $100, you only need 1 client per day. Suddenly, the goal feels much more realistic. Most beginners focus on making thousands. I wouldn't. I'd focus on making the first dollar, then the first 10, then the first 100. Because success grows step by step. The person making $1,000 a day usually started by making $10. Once I started making money, I wouldn't spend it immediately. I'd reinvest it. Maybe I'd buy a better tool. Maybe I'd improve my equipment. Maybe I'd learn a more advanced skill. The goal is to increase the value you can provide. As your skills improve, your prices increase. As your prices increase, your income grows. Then eventually you can hire freelancers, build systems, and turn a side hustle into a real business. This is where many people experience massive growth, not because they found a secret, but because they stayed consistent long enough. If I had to start from zero today, this is exactly what I would do. Learn a valuable skill, create proof, find clients, deliver results, reinvest profits, and repeat. No magic tricks, no overnight success, just a simple system that works. And if you stay consistent, that first $100 per day could become much more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content on making money online, side hustles, passive income, and personal finance. Comment below and tell me which online skill you're planning to learn first. Thanks for watching. This is Liam, and I'll see you in the next video.